Thursday the 17th of April 2014, the day our lives was shattered.
A collision involving two cars near Portarlington and County Leash. The collision happened on the Portlaoise Road at around 8:30.
I wanted to try and get to Gillian, but I couldn't. Worst day of my life.
To see their mother in the car, her legs crushed with the engine, two kids on the side of the road like that, and one fighting for his life. It's horrific.
Ciarán, what are you doing?
His little chest was tiny. You try your best to keep his heart pumping.
I had that motherly instinct that Ciarán was dead.
The screams of the family was unreal.
I hope that I will never experience lifting a little boy's body into his grieving mother's arms ever again.
My body was completely broken, but I didn't realise I would never see him again.